welcome back to our Lenape course. So this is lesson 3, where are you from? This lesson will be about how to tell somebody where you're from, as well as to tell somebody how to ask someone where they're from and how to tell somebody where you're from. So let's go ahead and jump in. So in this dialogue, there's a lot of things that you'll probably already recognize, especially if you've been following along up to this point. So there's not a lot of new stuff, but there are plenty of exercises and things to perfect your Lenape skills for this particular topic. So anyway, Kwapanahen. So Kwapanahen means good morning. And if you want to say this to a group of people, more than one person, you could change this hen to hummel. So Kwapanahummel, good morning to a group of people. Kwapanahen or Kwapanahen, good morning. And the next one, Kulamosihach. So Kulamosihach is how are you, as you've seen before. The next one, hey, Nulamosi, Nulamosike. So, hey, I'm doing well, and you, or what about you? I'm not sure if there's a way to say that, but okay, it works. And then Nulamosi, I'm doing well. Kikwachkateluensi, what is your name? And then Ni Nteluensi Weshehókwet. So my name is Weshehókwet, and what is your name? And then the next one, the Luensi Wapènsu, another way to say my name is Indian Teluensi, Luensi, same thing, Wapènsu. Nulalendam Eli Newalan, Weshehókwet. So it's nice to meet you, Weshehókwet. Nebe Pakunchi, Nulalendam. So it's also very nice to meet you, basically. And so this is one of two ways to say, where are you from? And ta essentially means where in the situation. It means many different things, but here it means where. And hetch is a question particle, which is just like hutch. And then kum is a combination of ke, which is you, plus which is the verb to go, or the verb to come from, excuse me. And then the next one, Lenape num. So Lenape was the name of traditional, or the names of the traditional Lenape homelands, or the Lenape Nation in New Jersey, Delaware, Pennsylvania, parts of New York, and New York City. In Delaware, of course. And num is the same verb right here, so is the stem. It's ni plus So ni plus I am coming from, or I come from, Lenape Hoking. Tash kum. So tash is ta plus sh. I'm not really sure how that changes the meaning, but tash in this case means from where, I suppose. And kum is the same as this. So tash kum or ta hech kum, two ways to ask the same question. And here, ako aking hoking num, so another city in Lenape Hoking. Kweti. Kweti means one, the number one. So I'm from Aking Hoking, one of the towns of Lenape Hoking. So one of the towns. So Utene means town or city. It can also mean nation as well, or country. And this tuta, or this here, so it can harmonize with the y here. So Utenaya tuta, a little town or towns, and then Lenape Hoking. So in Lenape, if you want to express the genitive, you simply just place the next word. So you want to say one of the towns of Lenape Hoking. Then you just put them all together like that. No fancy genitive case or anything like that to speak of. So one of the towns. So Utena Yatuta, or Utene Yatuta, Utene Yatuta. Just a little bit of practice right here, because this is a brand new word. And then Lenape Hoking of Lenape Hoking. And then Wapènsu realizes, oh, I recognize that place. Waski Tikoking no. So Waski means new or young. It can also mean something that that started anew. So it has a few things. That could also mean a little bit ago as well. But it probably means something different with this Hati right here. Just an interesting thing I noticed here. And then, so that's about it for the dialogue. So we've got some stuff here, different exercises that you can do. And I need to add footnotes to the bottom of this, but most of this is good. It'll work. And then there's also some extra vocabulary. So wapangai is another word for tomorrow. Wapanahen. Good day. Oh, it's good day. Okay. Sorry, I was just looking at something here. But yeah, that is all I've got today. I hope you all join me for the next lesson, lesson 4. All right. Have a good day, and I hope you got something out of this.